We'll start with the most obvious connection. The one that a lot of people know about the Schumann resonances is that the Schumann resonances have the same magnetic field strength and frequency as human brainwave rhythms. Now, human brainwaves are a hallmark of consciousness. When human brainwaves go off, that's either a sign that you're unconscious, in a comatose state, or you're dead. So you can make someone go unconscious if you give them some sort of, there's certain ion channel blockers that will stop delta rhythms in the brain, or you can actually run an electrical current through someone's brain that'll turn off delta rhythms. These are 0 to 4 hertz brainwaves. And when you do that, the person goes unconscious. So brainwaves and consciousness are intimately linked together, and different brainwave states, like if you have a lot of beta rhythms, that is different in terms of your conscious experience than if you have a lot of alpha rhythms. Beta rhythms are 12 to 30 hertz, and then alpha rhythms are 8 to 12 hertz. So these brain waves are indicative of where you are in terms of your conscious experience, and you can alter them through things like meditation. We'll go into that right here. We have clear evidence that master meditators, they can increase their power density of certain brainwave frequencies across the entire brain as compared to controls who don't have that meditation experience. So what we're looking at here is standard deviation of at least 1 greater than normal in the gamma band. So this is the very high frequency band for brain waves, and this is the percentage of subjects that were able to activate these standard deviations greater than 1. And so this is our master meditator group. Here are our controls. You can see our controls. Some of them are able to get a little bit of an increase in gamma brainwave activity for parts of the brain, but the master meditators were able to do it in these 4 distinct regions, and you can even see the band there, which indicates total brain synchronicity. So when you have the ability to influence your brainwave state, sometimes this happens through a variety of reasons. It can be just your circumstance. It can be because there are a lot of atmospheric energies at play, like space weather events or thunderstorms in your area. But when you're able to activate this total brainwave synchronicity, then this allows you to reach higher states of consciousness. And the Schumann resonances exist in that gamma band and can also help to cultivate that total brain synchronicity. So Schumann resonances and brainwaves are the same, both in strength and in frequency, and they can enter into phase with each other, which means that there can be resonant energy and information interactions between them. So there's a lot there. That's a clear sign that the Schumann resonances function beyond just our individual biology. Perhaps they are a subtle energy field that links all of life together and form a collective unconscious.